the sunset with the king by your side. Angels announcing his presence, the story unfolding with pride. The procession's coming, singers crying out loud, dancers making room, timbrels and trumpets blaring proud. The king has come with freedom's call. He's taking a stand. Mourners, lay aside your sackcloth, join the outlaw band. Slaves, put down your spades and ride with the brave. This is Jubilee, where the free will wave. Sevenfold restoration, taking back what's yours. The time of trial's over and justice is knocking on your doors. The servant becomes the master becomes the slave. They're crying in anguish for the lives they once believed and craved. The king has come with freedom's call. He's taking a stand. Mourners, lay aside your sackcloth, join the outlaw band. Slaves, put down your spades and ride with the brave. This is Jubilee, where the free will wave.
He's riding for the widow, the orphan, and the oppressed, turning mourning to dancing and bringing joy to the depressed. He's our deliverance, our justice, Yahweh Rapha, Yahweh Nissi too. A banner of fire, a light in the darkness, shining bright and true.
The king has come with freedom's call. He's taking a stand. Mourners, lay aside your sackcloth, join the outlaw band. Slaves, put down your spades and ride with the brave. This is Jubilee, where the free will wave.
Partners and ride into the sun. The king's calling your name, the battle's just begun. Leave the past behind and ride with the wind. This is your Jubilee, where freedom's spirit will win.
He's riding for the widow, the orphan and the oppressed, turning mourning to dancing and bringing joy to the depressed.